So this will be the final walkthrough of our design bathroom renovation project. So we played with the lights and with the on the cabinetry, because we like to do a flush mount cabinet integrated LED strips. So this bottom was a little brighter, so it's a half the density of the top, so it gives a nice ambience, but it's not overpowering if you want a little mood. And other than that, obviously our flush mount baseboards are in, so there's no cleaning here because again it's flush with the wall. Same thing here. We had 3 different thicknesses of the material going in. We have a drywall here, then we have a tile on the waterproofing panel, and then we have an even thicker quartz here. So we staggered the framing to end up with one clean plane. And so we have a curbless walk-in linear drain shower with 3 slopes, and the floor heat goes all the way to here, and the bench is heated as well, so any overspray from the shower will just dry out. So, you know, I always get asked, how do we keep the water from getting into the floor? Well, you heated floor, so it will dry in no time at all. And this is our, I believe this is champagne bronze finish, nice shower set on a 1-piece quartz panel, so there are no grout lines to clean. And yeah, this interesting kind of little bit of a textured accent tile carries through all the way around into the backsplash and onto the vanity. So this is that was a super interesting project. It turned out really nice. So we are happy with the outcome. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and stay tuned for the next exciting project. We are starting soon. Thank you for watching.